HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand central tendency measures of home prices. Here's a chart of home sale prices in the United States between 1963 and 2011. The mean sale price is in red and the median sale price is in blue. Notice that the mean price is consistently higher than the median price. Let's see why this is true. Here is a frequency histogram of home prices in a very wealthy area. The distribution is positively skewed. Most of the home prices are between $1 and $2 million, but there are a small number of homes between $4 and $8 million. How do the central tendencies compare for this house sale price distribution? This kind of positively skewed distribution is typical for houses in all price ranges, although it is probably more positively skewed for houses on the very high end. As we can see, the mode price is $1.4 million, which is the most common sale price. Next, we have the median price, which is $1.7 million. Remember that the median price divides the distribution in half, with 50% of the prices below $1.7 million and 50% of the prices above $1.7 million. The mean price is $2 million, which is quite a bit higher than the median of $1.7 million. This is important because when people are looking for houses, they want to know the median, because there will be a lot of houses that are near the median as the median is in the middle of the distribution. Here we have the differences between the measures of central tendency. Notice that the mean is 300,000, $0.3 million, higher than the median. We can remove the effect of the really expensive houses by removing houses sold at more than $4 million. The mode remains the same at $1.4 million. The median drops a little bit from $1.7 million to $1.65 million, so the removal of the multi-million-dollar houses didn't really affect the median very much. The mean has dropped from $2.05 million to $1.75 million. The removal of the multi-million-dollar houses has resulted in a large drop in the mean price. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.